Hey there, coders. Welcome back to BackToCoding. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing coding content. Today, we're diving deep into the builder pattern. By the end of this video, you're going to have a solid grasp of the builder pattern, not just in Kotlin but also in Android development. Before diving in, let's understand why the builder pattern is essential. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't just throw bricks and cement together randomly, right? You follow a blueprint. The builder pattern serves as that blueprint for creating complex objects. In Kotlin, the builder pattern helps you construct an object step by step. Let's dive into some code. In this simple car class, what if we have multiple parameters, some optional and some required? This is where the builder pattern shines. Here, we create a car builder class. It holds the same fields as car but provides methods for setting each property. Notice the apply function? That's a Kotlin standard library function that helps you set values and returns the same object, allowing for method chaining. In Android, you encounter the builder pattern a lot, especially in dialogues and notifications. Ever seen this kind of code? This is the builder pattern in action. Dialog.builder is the builder class, and it constructs the Dialog object step by step. Alright, now let's implement a custom dialog box using the builder pattern. Here, we encapsulate all the properties of our dialog within our custom dialog builder class. We then use it to construct our dialog, making our code clean and maintainable. I hope this deep dive into the builder pattern clarified things for you. It's a fantastic pattern for making your code more robust, clean, and easy to understand. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit that like button and share this video to help out your fellow coders. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding. We'll be back soon with more awesome coding tips. See you in the next one.